If you need help making more money with your online fitness program, then here's how I can help. Hi, my name is Erik and I show personal trainers how to make $10K a month and quit their jobs. 6 years ago, I was struggling as a personal trainer, working at LA Fitness, working over 12 hours per day, living check to check, living with my mom. And it wasn't until I learned how to take my skills online as an online fitness coach where I was able to generate $50,000 per month, allowing me to have more time, money, and freedom, and to be able to live the life that I dreamed of. So after COVID, online fitness coaching really exploded, and the demand for online fitness coaching is extremely high at the moment. And after 6 years of experience, I've learned how to streamline and simplify this process, and now I can teach you exactly how to do it as well. Just like my client Cade, who went from getting fired from his job to generating $10,000 per month with his online fitness business in just his first 30 days. And now he's doing over $18,000 per month. And our client Justin, who came in and made close to $10,000 his first month and is now generating over 10K consistently each and every single month using the same exact strategies and systems that I use to grow my business. On this channel, you can expect to get educational and motivational content that's going to teach you exactly how to grow your online fitness business and scale and get consistent clients. So if you're ready to become the go-to trainer in your industry, then make sure you subscribe to this channel and we'll see you soon.